Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to replace the expansion valve on the AC system on Volkswagen Golf 5 1.9 TDI. The expansion valve is located on the firewall behind the engine. When you follow the AC lines, it's just at the end of the AC lines on the firewall. That's it right there. To get access to the expansion valve, you need to remove this air hose that goes from the intake, from the air filter housing to the turbo. This side of the pipe goes down there to the turbo. After removing this hose, there is access to the expansion valve. To remove the expansion valve, you need to remove the two bolts that hold the AC lines. After removing the two AC lines, there is two bolts that hold the expansion valve. After removing the two bolts, we can take the expansion valve out. That's the expansion valve out now. If the video was helpful, give the video a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this.